Have you ever wondered about the invisible heroes powering your everyday gadgets? Well, brace yourselves because the US is on a mission, keeping a watchful eye on China's game-changing computer chips, the unsung champions of our digital world. And trust me, the discoveries in this video are mind-blowing. The US is keeping an eye on China's production of important, but not super advanced computer chips. These chips are crucial for many things we use every day. The US wants to see how much American companies depend on these chips from China. In January, a part of the US government will ask more than 100 companies about how they get and use these chips, especially in areas like cars, planes, and defense. Some Chinese chip companies have been selling these chips at very low prices to beat their competition. The US wants to stop China from dominating this industry, just like it did with steel and solar power. Commerce Secretary Gina Raimondo says there are signs that China might be making it tough for US companies to compete. The survey will help the US decide what to do next. They might use tariffs or other trade measures to counter China's efforts. The House Select Committee on China also suggested putting tariffs on these chips in a report that both Democrats and Republicans agreed on. If you're hungry for more tech insights and want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to watch this next video showing up on your screen at the top right corner. We're diving deep into the world of innovation, and you wouldn't want to miss out on the exciting updates coming your way. Until next time, tech on!